Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, we're gonna be doing Anna's makeup. She's my sister. We're gonna be doing her makeup, and yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I am going to be doing her eyebrows. Oh, and before I went in with my black opal invisible powder to set her nose because her nose can get a little bit, oily. So I kind of went in. She has like dry combination skin, so she doesn't really need a lot of priming and so forth. But her nose gets oily, so I had to prime it with some of the powder. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm doing her brows, and I just lined her brows. And now I'm going in with my concealer, ColourPop No Filter concealer, that is. And I'm going for more like natural looking brows because her brows are usually snatched. Okay? Very, very snatched. So I kind of wanted to do something more natural, something that she's not used to. Because of course this is her first time getting her makeup done. Yeah, she usually like does her makeup because that's her job. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But okay, so now I'm gonna use this concealer blending brush to just blend out the concealer from her brows, below it and on top. And this is from the Sylyne brush set. So guys, if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link to right of your screen. These brushes, excellent brushes. Okay, excellent. So I'm using the ColourPop No Filter concealer in dark 46, and then I went in with the brush to just clean it up, and then I just set it with my black opal invisible powder, her brows, that is. Now I'm going to go in with this color. This is a burnt orange from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just adding that as her transition shade using a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so yes, blending. Now I'm going in with this blue shade. This is Ife from the Magic palette by Jwillscool, of course. And we're using that to just, deepen the crease a bit. And I'm using a blending brush from the same 29 piece Sigma dupe brush set. Yeah. Then I went back in with the yellow to just blend out it a little bit more. And I kind of went ahead and kind of clean up her face, because we're gonna do a cut crease now. So we're gonna go in with this flat top brush from the same 29 piece brush set from DH Gate. Okay, and this brush set is amazing, guys. This brush, especially the concealer brush, amazing, excellent job, amazing, guys. I don't know what to say, but it was perfect. Okay. Oh, I'm using the concealer, the LA Girls, no, the ColourPop No Filter concealer, yes, in dark 46, and I'm just cleaning up with my Sylyne brush set. Okay, so now I'm going to use this golden bronzy color from the Masquerade palette, and guys, this color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, while I was applying it I was like, wow, this is so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful, so pretty. Yeah man, it's pretty bad. I love it. So I'm just adding that to the cut crease area. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is Ife again. I'm gonna add Ife to the outer corners to just kind of deepen the eye look, and I wanted the eye to have a little bit more dimension. I didn't want to be like gold. I just kind of wanted something smoky, bronzy kind of vibe, but I didn't want to use black, see what I mean? So I went in with Ife again because I used Ife as a color to deepen the crease. So we're just going to repeat the same steps so that we can be consistent and the eye look can look, nice in a sense. And right here, guys, she was sleeping. She was like feeling so nice and comfortable. So she was feeling so nice, so she was just sleeping away. So I had to hold her face to ensure that I'm not struggling, and my back was hurting because I had to be standing up trying to make sure that she's not leaning and all of that. Yeah. So now I'm going to go in with this this black shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just adding that. Yeah. So as you can see, I finished adding everything. We're finished with eyes and the liner. I didn't record that because that took up a little bit of time because she was sleeping and most of the clips were out of focus. So yeah. So I'm gonna use her LA Color foundation in, not sure about the color, but I'm going to use the LA Girls foundation, and I'm going to mix it with the Color Pop, and then we're just going to blend that with our Real Techniques brushes. I also reviewed this brush set on my channel, so click the link to the right of your screen if you want to see it. If you don't know about it, if you want to know about it, check it out. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going in with my NYX Concealer, and I'm just going to take that under her eyes. And I'm going to also go in with my LA Girls in Fawn, because this, I just wanted a little bit more, brightening. Yeah. So just added that, and then I'm using my beauty sponge now to just blend out everything, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so right now I'm setting her under eyes, and guys, this was an intense part. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the Black Opal Invisible Powder. Guys, she has sinusitis, so her nose and allergies and all of that. So she doesn't really use brushes to add her powder. But this part, the fan was blowing and it was just blowing away the powder, so it just got in her hair, and yeah. But we dealt with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm using this 8-in-1 powder palette, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics powder brush. I was just using that to set her entire face, and yeah, pretty much try to set it to ensure that everything is nice and matte, because it's so hot. Oh my gosh. So I'm using this angled brush, and we're just using that to add the powder because that big old brush was too big old brush. It was too big, so we had to get something a little bit more small, and it worked. This angle brush worked, so I went in with it. Now I'm gonna go in. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush again, the same angle brush. Oh, I contoured her nose and so forth. Went in back with angled brush, and I'm just setting right now her smile lines because I don't want her to be, start creasing and so forth. Just set that before it starts, yeah. So as you can see, I'm gonna go in with this brush, this flat top brush, to just add this brown shade. It's coming from the NYX Love Contours All palette. Then I went in with this burnt orange again to just smoke out under her eyes. I didn't want it to be like super dark, just want it to be nice and smoked out. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And we are totally finished with the eye, as you can see. Yes, we're just gonna give her, I'm gonna give her the mascara and let her apply it, because I don't want to touch her eyes, because then it's gonna start watering, because she just has like, yeah, sensitive. So I went in with her lashes, just apply that, and then apply the other one up off camera. Yes, nice. Okay. So now I'm lining her lips using this dark brown pencil, and then we're gonna go in with ColourPop's ColourPop matte lipstick Tule, and then I went over top of that with my LA Girls lip gloss, and then just use one of this lip brush to just blend everything in. And this is the completed look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.